Johnny Timmons, MarineMax Seabird. Today we're going to walk you through our very first Grady-White 415 Freedom. We've been waiting for this boat for over 2 years now. It's here, she's in stock. We've got her tricked out with all kinds of custom electronics. We're gonna give you a quick little brief walkthrough, show you around. We've got quad 450 Yamahas. They're running right now. Huge cockpit. You'll notice that I'm actually under the shade right now. This is a sure shade, we got it deployed. We've got a nice little wet bar area here. We've got a grill, we've got a sink, we've got fridge, ice maker, freezer. Double dive doors, one of my favorite features. We've got them on both sides now. Double live wells, both on each side. Giant fish box here in the middle, and this one's set up on a freezer plate, so we can set it for cool, frozen, however we want to do it. We can travel to Bahamas and keep all our provisions. We can use it as a fish box, all kinds of different options there. Typical Grady-White jump seat in the back that flips up and gets out of the way for a giant dance floor back here if we're having a party in the evenings. Love this mezzanine seating in the back. There is a drop curtain that sits down right here just like this. It's easy to see why. So we can completely close this for the winter months or a giant rainstorm for that matter. Summertime, we're fishing. I've got AC blowing right at my back. This is absolutely fabulous. It could be 100 degrees outside and you're gonna stay nice and cool in the seat. Follow me forward, we'll go to the bridge deck area. We're up on the bridge deck of the 415. We've got giant skylight right here. I don't have it open just because it's hot and sunny. We've got a high-low table that'll drop down. There's actually 2 high-low tables that we can drop down and fill all this in for a lounger. We can use it for alfresco dining. Work our way over here. This is the custom stuff. We did the twin 24-inch Garmins. Those are the biggest ones that we can get now. Bow thruster, cell phone chargers all set up here. This is our C-zone switching system. That's all internal switching. You can also access it on the 24-inch Garmin. Hellmaster over here. First boat we've done with Yamaha that actually comes with the new Yamaha Hellmaster remote right here. You can actually operate the boat from the helm chair that's power assisted. Click that back in there. Again, more air conditioning. We've got our own standalone AC for this entire bridge deck area, above and beyond what we have downstairs in the cabin. We're gonna work forward. Bow area of the 415 Freedom. High-low tables, beautiful, beautiful high-low tables. There are covers for these. These do drop down electronically. The cushions fit over the top of it. We got storage on both sides all over here. Anchor windlass is up here. We didn't install it, but down in the cabin, we've got the carbon fiber poles that snap in. We've got a giant shade that covers this entire area. Takes 5-6 minutes to put up, pull down. We're gonna leave that in the bag for the new owners, but it does have it aboard. Let's say we get in a little inclement weather. We wanna get a little bit more privacy, a little wind protection. All we have to do is we just close this door right here. That's gonna snap in and lock. We're down in the port side cabin on the 415 Grady. We've got a nice little workstation if we need to get a little work done, whatever. I'm gonna close that back, lock it in place. Right here is our switching system. We turn our generator on, control our ACs, our cockpit coolers. The main C-zone screen is there as well. TVs right here, microwave convection ovens right here. Great storage area back here or a full berth. This all fills in right here for another berth. Pretty slick over here. There's the catch. There it goes. Fills in just for some more storage area. Johnny Timmons again, MarineMax in Seabird, Texas. This is the only 415 Grady-White Freedom west of Pensacola, Florida. We'd love for you to come out, see the boat in person. 281-326-4224.